a good collaboration workflow in order to avoid unnecessary conflicts is to do something we call feature branches. That means whenever you start to work on a feature, you create a new branch for this. So you just run the command git checkout minus git checkout minus b, and then the name of your new branch. Let's call it blinking button because you're working on a blinking button for our website. So that's the branch, and then it starts from the branch where you actually on. And on this nice terminal that Minna has, you see in those parentheses the main. That's the branch you've been on, and then you check out a new branch. So it starts from main. Before you do anything, it's just the same as main content-wise, and now you're on the blinking button branch, and you start to do something that you later on will put back. And if someone else is working on another branch and working on the same files or another files, it's not immediately going to affect you.
So let's say I, for example, added my blinking button into the README. I mean, this is just a very unrealistic case, but let's say I added the contribution blinking button, and now I'm ready to also git add README and git commit my changes. Then when I'm, for example, done with these changes and I feel like I want to integrate this back into the main branch, I can merge my feature branch, blinking buttons, back into the main branch.
Yeah, and typically the recommended way of doing this is that you do it with a pull request. And that's also something that you can also then do using the GitHub interface or whatever remote platform you use. And one good way of avoiding conflicts when you want to merge your blinking button branch, in this case, into the main branch again, is to try it the other way around. So you are, as the parentheses indicate, on a blinking button branch, and then you run git merge main, and if you don't have any conflicts right there on your local thing, it's very likely that nothing happens, or that it's easy to do just that. And you see,
so it either then says, for example, already up to date, like in my case, Matthias has not contributed anything to the other branch while I was working on this branch, or like Matthias said, if there are any changes that don't interfere with mine, like my README, then these changes are just automatically merged, but there's no conflict.
Right.